Hello dear and dear, Jai Siaram, Jai Jai Hanuman. We have left to travel currently at the peak of Bahubali Hill, and these are the views. Can you subscribe me in YouTube? I have YouTube channel.
Of course.
Dear and dears, I am currently with Israeli brother.
What's up, guys?
What's your name,
My
brother?
name is Shabi. Go for peace and come back in peace.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello dear and dear, Jai Siaram, Jai Jai Hanuman. We have left to travel. We have left hostel because we are going to travel today. A lot places like many more, like Bahubali Hill and City Palace and Indinchi Mata Mandir and Fateh Sagar Lake. That's all for today, and let's continue today's journey. I am currently at the Jagdish Bhagwan's Mandir, and we are going to eat some Jagdish Mandir's Jagdish restaurants breakfast like a chai, and it's very famous bataka hua. So let's go and eat that. यहाँ की कचौड़ी फेमस रहती है। कचौड़ी फेमस ही है यहाँ की। हाँ, कचौड़ी समोसा ये। Hello dears and dearies, from here Bahubali Hills stations hiking starts, and this is a wonderful views and scenic views are from here, and it's a very morning time, but though many people also coming because of wonderful views and for capture the moment. And from here the sunrise look exceptionally sonic views comes, and it's a very great time to spend. And the ones who love hiking, for them it's phenomenal place. They can't just describe anything in words. And the scenic views of here are exceptionally great. Just look at this. Just look. And the hiking is a little bit tough, not that much, but little bit. If you are good at normal pace, you can go many far, but it's very good. It's kind of tough because it's a very slopey area. The slope is a very steep, and moreover, just look at the views, exceptionally great. So I think I haven't reached the top, but it's at middle point. I am. Hello dears, I am currently at the peak of Bahubali Hill, and these are the views. Many people are taking photos from the last point of Bahubali Hill, and the steep is still there, so you take every step looking around, so you can enjoy the place very well by not hurting yourself. That's the first rule. And other than that, just see the views. Just look at around. feels like you are at the some kind of peak of many exceptional view, sonic place, and the sun comes from there up, so it's a very good sunrise point also. And the sunset point is there, and the sunset point is the sun from, look at around there. What will be the wonderful to see the sunset point from there, exceptionally good. That peak, oh boy, what that looks like, exceptionally great. Just living memories. I take my few pictures also from asking someone to click my photos. Other than that, great place. Cost will be only 50 rupees that you need to pay through online by your own self. Just see the craftsmanship, the work of the workers they did to make this exceptionally great. The little bit from there, Ranis and all, see outside the place how the kingdom is dwelling, what's happening in the kingdom, what festival is going on around. They all see from these small windows, or little small windows. And there are many things to tell about this city palace, many. You really should visit. Many foreigners also come, and in India their favorite place is a very kind of Udaipur and Rishikesh, and Udaipur is a more familiar or favorite type to visit the Indian culture and visit India's journey. So just see it around. Otherwise the weather is a phenomenally good, the kind of place and the atmospheres vibe is a very peaceful. So we will call later. चलो मिलते हैं. Bottom, hello dears. Just see where I have come in the 50 rupees tickets. It's the bestest 50 rupees ever to spend around Udaipur city. Not just but in India. Just see the views. And the weather. Oh my. And the rain is not that fast. It's just pretty little bit. But other than that, just see the mountains, just see the lake. The wind is the pressure, because the pressure of wind, the water is just waving. It's exceptionally great. See the water, the little waves. Phenomenal. Tasted. एक नंबर। Hello dear and dears. Today we have completed many places like a city palace, like a Bahubali Hill. And now we are going towards Fateh Sagar Lake, and we are going to do boat riding again, and it will be a very fun. Just rain has been stopped. The city is a very magnificently, very calming, and the little bit dirty, but a lot way calming. This is again Kantagar, and we are going towards Fateh Sagar. Meet you there. 5 बजे निकले जाओ तो हो जाएगा ऐसा।
हो जाएगा। आपने रूम कौन से होटल में लेगा?
पर मुझे चल के ही जाना पड़ेगा, है ना?
हाँ,
ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ेगा।
करना पड़ेगा।
हो गई कंफर्म, चल गई और जाएगी अब ट्रेन।
और मैं पुश करना रुक जाओ इधर आ जाओ। There is a very special scenic view spot from there. Go from here to there. Exceptional views of mountains you will get, and I am waiting for Rapido driver to pick me up and drop me at my hostel, Rahagir guest hostel. And other than that, had a very great fun at ride. Hello dear listeners, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Jai Hanuman. Today we are going to back to our home, but before that I have seated in my hostel's balcony area and just look the view from the window. Just look it. The rain is going currently and the weather is a phenomenally exceptional. Just look the mountains. Just look the river, lakes. Lord Calm Lake. There are many people there also. Other than the trip has been gone very good. For 2 days it was very good time spent. Other than that, now let's see. Last few days we have covered many key places, and I am feeling it. Man, already I have covered it many spots. So it is nothing that I need to feel that I have left out some places. I have my from inside I am already fulfilled to not roam around the city today, and we are currently going at 10:30 to our home from the bus station of Udaipur. And other than that, how wonderful it is to leave city at this current weather. Rain has not been a problem for me for past 2 days, so it's great time to have fun. And many ones are swimming also. So let's meet at other time. See you, tata. Dear and dears, I am currently with Israeli brother.
What's up, guys?
What's your name,
My
brother?
name is Shabi.
Sadi.
Shabi from Israel.
How many days you have been here?
In Udaipur?
Huh?
This is my second day.
This is my second day.
Second day, and I'm staying for 2 more days.
What do you feel good about the India?
Everything, brother. Everything. The food, the people, the views, the traveling, the culture,
The culture.
the
What's
wildlife.
What's most connected to your soul about India?
Oh, it's a lovely question. Most connected to my soul. I think the nature. The nature,
The nature.
trees, the open space, culture, archaeological sites, everything.
And what about today's plan?
Today's plan. Today's plan for right now, it's a good question. Monsoon Palace.
Monsoon Palace.
Yeah.
It's a good place
Yeah.
to visit. And in currently month of monsoon also.
In the monsoon time.
Yeah.
Monsoon Palace in the monsoon time. And drinking maybe chai later, meeting new people.
Yeah, that's the wonderful thing about India. You talk with many good, many
Yeah, many
Peoples.
good people.
And currently in Udaipur city, there are many foreigners.
Yeah, actually
Many,
I
many.
didn't meet yet, but I saw them. I saw the foreigners, but I saw you and I spoke with a couple of Indian people before. So very nice, very nice. I enjoy it.
have a wonderful time here.
Thank you, brother.
And where you are going towards next cities?
I will go to Pushkar and to Delhi,
Delhi.
in Chandigarh maybe a little bit.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Rajat Sagar.
Rajat Sagar,
I am from Gujarat.
Gujarat. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I have the shirt of Rajasthan. You see?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan shirt.
Didn't you visited in Gujarat?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Next time.
Next time.
Go to Gujarat and Rishikesh especially. It's a wonderful time. Place. Thank you, sir. I am making video to the brother. And
Yes, it's written.
It's Israeli
Yeah,
language.
it's a Hebrew.
Hebrew language. Acha.
Oh.
In few minutes you received it.
Already received the video.
Hi brother. Can you subscribe me in YouTube? I have
Of course.
YouTube channel.
Of course. What is your YouTube?
Gmail. Journey with Raj. Can I type it for you? Only English language.
Yeah, I have in Hebrew. The monsoon.
And then from there, it's
Yeah.
the wonderful place to
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, what
That
the
one.
lake, right?
The lake one. It's a great, wonderful place to live. It's my channel.
You have how many subscribers you already?
I am
you have?
currently 25.
Oh,
subscribers.
nice.
But it's,
I am subscribing right
It's
now.
YouTube videos of IPL and these are video of Hanuman Dada.
You have almost 1,000 views. Nice.
Yes.
Good. So now what I need to do? So that's it. I subscribe.
That's it.
When you upload this video,
It definitely in 2-3 days. 2-3 days.
wow.
And
Okay.
the other YouTube, they put vlogs also.
Okay. Lovely.
I have started doing these YouTube videos in English, Hindi, and Gujarati in both three languages.
It's all in this, and you can find it in your
Exactly.
yeah. Well, just no, it's
How would you rate my English?
your English is 12 out of 10.
Because I also don't feel that 10 is enough for me. I will say it's around 2, 3, or
No,
5.
it's around 7,
That's a
7,
seven.
8. You know 8.
I am from Gujarati language type. I have in 18 years I have only studied English language, but not anything in English.
Lovely.
Only.
You have good English, brother.
I have
He
just
has a
used-
good English. This guy.
Thank you. And say everyone to subscribe me also.
Subscribe this guy. I don't know his name, but you should subscribe. How?
That's name.
Brajan Miller. Okay? It's hard for me to pronounce, but subscribe, guys.
Subscribe. Thank you.
Namaste.
What's your name?
I'm Shai.
Sai. I will. Sai.
Sai.
Sai. It's pronounced like a Sai.
S-H-A-Y.
S-H-A-Y.
Shai.
And
Like
the rain.
No, high five.
High five. The rain is a lot fast.
Yeah.
It will be a little bit doing your today's day.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi brother, how it's pancake? Like it? You
Oh.
like it?
I got you. So you can see also the
Huh.
background.
Like that way. Brother,
Bye, brother.
bye. See you. Take care. Thank you. बढ़िया कॉफी दी हाँ चाय बढ़िया दी बाय बाय ब्रदर द राइडर इज जस्ट बिहाइंड और मैं अब जा रहा हूँ गुड बाय हैड अ वेरी वंडरफुल मिनट
Thank you for helping me. You are very kind. And you do things from the heart.
थैंक यू
Take care.
Take care. Bye. I had a very wonderful minute. I definitely have talked to you more than 20-30 minutes.
Okay.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, about 1 hour.
Chal, let's
Kale
go.
shalom v'tachzor leshalom. It's in Hebrew. Go for peace and come back in peace.
Thank you. I have got my bus and we are going towards Modasa. Let's meet from there. And other than that, it's a wonderful trip. Had very ups and downs, a lot ups, a lot downs, a lot emotional turbulence also. But had a fun, had a joy, had a fulfillment. So see you. Bye bye. Tada.